Aw, animals.
Kitten freed from a glass jar. Bystanders stumbled upon this kitten that had its entire head stuck in a glass jar and filmed its rescue. They were able to grab hold of the black and white kitten and used a hammer to slowly crack away at the jar.
Dayan, gözlə.
Oradan vurmaq lazımdır, dibdən.
Hə, başlasın.
Astaca vur prosta.
Pişik, gözlə bir dəqiqə.
Astaca vur, bək vurma ya, asta vur ki. Asta çıxart. Çıxmadı.
Gözlə. Onu fırlatmaq lazım. Eləmə, kəsiləcək başını, gözlə. Uzan pişik, uzan.
Until eventually the kitten was freed. Now, we're not sure if that was really the best way to free a kitten that's stuck in a jar, but things could have gone a whole lot worse. See a story that really should be animated? Suggest stories to Tomo News now.